We're a little over a week from September, and for most of us, we're thinking about the end of summer, Labor Day, that sort of stuff. But for others like me, it's time to hone in on the new iPhone hype. Multiple editions of the best-selling consumer product in the world, it's going to be announced in a few weeks for a release that usually begins the next to last week of September. So if you were thinking about buying a new iPhone now, I'd highly recommend against it. It's a no-brainer. Wait a few weeks and get the latest state-of-the-art device that Apple has, or save money on last year's model, because when the new phones are announced, Apple immediately drops the price on older editions, usually by $100 or so, and they improve the specs, like throwing in extra storage. You can pick up for $800 the iPhone 12 now, or maybe pay $700 in a few weeks. It goes like that. Now, historically, Apple reveals all shortly after Labor Day. Mac Rumors has picked September 14th for the announcement day, and I concur, with a release date of September 24th. Do know that Apple has warned that it's going to have component constraints for the next model, as it suffers from the same chip shortage as other companies are facing, so expect problems and long lines. Now, by the way, Apple traditionally kicks off new device season for the fourth quarter, with Google and Amazon quickly following up with updates to talking speakers and the like. However, when it comes to Google and Amazon, take those announcements sometimes with a grain of salt, because sometimes they make a big wow at this announcement, and then it takes a long time, if ever, to ever see these products. Like last September's Amazon product reveal, this wacky home drone from Ring was announced for 2021. This drone that flew all over the house, checking to make sure that everything was okay. You know what? We've yet to see it, and I wonder if we ever will. Now back to Apple. The daily August prediction industry about the new phone is as heated as ever. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, who has the best track record of any tech reporter I know, came out with his annual summer iPhone preview this week. I blurbed about it in a short piece the other day as well. Per Mark, the iPhone 13 will be a minor upgrade with better power and a smaller notch at the top of the screen. Otherwise, the marquee features are camera related. Mark says the ability to make videos in portrait mode and add background blur will be offered, along with higher resolution video recording called ProRes. I'm betting that Apple has a few other tricks up its sleeve, because I frankly really don't see the general public caring much about either of these. But I do think that if you have a phone going back to the 10 or older, you're going to want to upgrade for one simple reason: way better cameras. The other night I went to Hermosa Beach with my friends Evelyn and Jane for a photo walk, and I saw up close the differences between the old cameras and the new ones. So portrait mode, which blurs the background for people pictures and looks often as great as something shot on a professional DSLR, the portrait mode of today versus a few years back is stunning. Evelyn has the iPhone 10 from 2017. Her portrait mode is okay, but as I found out, my 2020 iPhone 12 Pro, it gives you so much more blur. Now, Jane's iPhone SE is a fantastic budget phone, Apple's lowest price starting at $400. But her edition doesn't even have portrait mode, and it has just one camera lens. Evelyn's iPhone has two lenses. My iPhone 12 Pro has three: ultra-wide, wide, and medium telephoto. Check out this shot. I was able to frame Jane and Evelyn and get the complete Lighthouse Cafe sign in the shot by using the ultra-wide angle lens on the iPhone 12 Pro. Evelyn tried this on her camera and couldn't even come close. So I can't wait to see what Apple has in store in a few weeks. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'll be back at you with the skinny as soon as it's revealed. Just do me a favor, please subscribe to this channel right here, and check out my newsletter at jeffersongraham.substack.com. Thanks for watching, everyone.